Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start in the main Dead by Daylight menu. Open settings immediately and navigate to the Audio or Language tab. Platforms differ. Once there, scan for a language drop-down or a checkbox labeled Voice, Text, or Locale. Make sure to note current selections so you can revert. If you want extra safety, copy the game's config file now to a backup folder. That prevents accidental loss. This prepares you to switch languages without hunting for recovery steps later. Once you see the language options, pick the language for both text and voice if available. This ensures UI and audio match. After selecting, press Apply or Save. Games often prompt to restart to load new voice packs. If a restart is required, do it now. Otherwise, watch for a small confirmation message. Make sure to inspect subtitles and UI scale since text length can change. Also verify whether regional voice packs downloaded automatically. Finally, verify by loading lobbies and matches to confirm both text and voice reflect the new language. If you see untranslated strings or silent voice lines, check the game's file integrity or redownload language packs through your launcher. That often fixes missing assets. If settings won't save, restore your backed up config or delete preferences to force defaults, then repeat the change. One key troubleshooting tip: always validate game files before reinstalling. It's faster and usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.